spike in cortisol levels. These actions aid in the balancing of cortisol by stimulating relaxation and providing a healthy boost of energy in the morning, says Chichak 3. Although high cortisol levels can be harmful to your health, it's normal for cortisol levels to be highest in the morning. It helps you to feel alert and awake to start your day. Especially if you wake up feeling groggy, soaking in some sunshine in the morning could help boost your energy. Being in the sun for 15 to 30 minutes is helpful because it helps set your internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This also allows for proper regulation of cortisol levels, which are critical for energy and alertness levels during the day, says Dees. 7. So consider taking your mindful movement outside for double the benefits. To kick off your day, you could go for a morning walk or jog, a quick yoga session in the park or backyard, or just a few stretches outside your front door. 4. Eat a balanced breakfast. Even if you don't have a huge appetite, right when you wake up, it's important to eat something for breakfast. Skipping breakfast has been shown to reduce morning cortisol levels, indicating potential circadian rhythm abnormalities. In fact, studies show this may be linked with poor cardiometabolic health. 8. Eating a wholesome breakfast that is high in proteins and healthy fats and includes complex carbohydrates is great for cortisol levels. An ample breakfast ensures proper blood sugar levels throughout the day, while also keeping energy levels up, says. In addition, this prevents the stress hormone spikes that can happen when your body detects a fuel deficiency, adds Dees. The bottom line, healthy cortisol levels are essential for your mental and physical health. After all, cortisol affects your circadian rhythm, which regulates sleep, appetite, digestion, and more. With a few doctor-recommended morning habits, you can promote healthy cortisol levels to feel energized throughout your day and get good sleep at night. Set your alarm for roughly the same time each morning, and when you wake up, make sure to eat a balanced breakfast and try getting outside, even if just for a few minutes. It's also helpful to do some sort of physical activity, whether it's walking your dog or doing a mindful yoga class. If these are all new habits for you, try incorporating one at a time to make it more approachable. Soon enough, they can become a part of your regular morning routine.